Okay, welcome to Ohio history.
Yes.
5th grade. We're going to talk about the Northwest Ordinance throughout this unit. To start, the Articles of Confederation are what stemmed the Northwest Ordinance. So do we want them to talk first or answer first? Okay, each of you have a slide. And the first question is what you think the Northwest Ordinance is about. So, or what do you know about the Northwest Ordinance? Before we watch the video, that's what we want you guys to answer. So if you want to just type something up brief, talk amongst yourselves if you want. I mean, however you want to do it. But type on your slides what you think it is about, and we will go into watching the video after everybody has done that.
And if you don't have a guess, that's okay. Many people do not know what the Northwest Ordinance is about, so just create something up if you need to.
What? Let's see.
I shared it with everyone that they should be able to edit files. Here.
Try it again.
I just sent it to you again, Maddie.
Are you able to do it now? Okay, cool. Yep. Okay, when everybody's done, let's see, who's the first slide? Megan, if you want to share your thoughts with the group and what you think. Okay.
That's a good guess,
Very
though.
good.
Good starting point. Aaron?
Okay.
That's
Very
a good
good.
guess, too. Maddie? You're still, all three of you are similar, so you're on the right track. And Zoe. Okay, perfect. Those are some great answers.
Okay, so we're going to go on to watch this video introduction on how the Articles of Confederation led into the Northwest Ordinance. It's only a few minutes.
And just be thinking about something that you learned from the video that you didn't know prior and how the Northwest Ordinance will help the conflict going on. How the Northwest Ordinance will help the conflict that's going on in the video. Those are the other two questions you'll be answering.
Well, that would. Oh, come on.
You put the captions on. Maybe.
Hang tight, guys.
Wi-Fi is not our friend today.
don't know what it's doing.
Pause the video. Pause the recording.
Having just dealt
Maybe we weren't that far.
It's just showing you some pictures. What's our next question? On your slides, there's another question we're going to discuss now with completing that video.
Just name one thing that you learned from watching the video that you hadn't known prior to it. You can go ahead and type that on the PowerPoint. And then you guys can also go ahead and answer the second question, how you think the Northwest Ordinance will help all the issues that were arising. Okay, Megan, if you're done, you can go ahead and tell us how you think it will help, the Northwest Ordinance will help the states. Yeah, so divide is conflict and everyone can get along a little more easily if they have a say. Aaron, what did you say? How will the Northwest Ordinance help? The third question.
Exactly.
Maddie?
Yeah, that's exactly what it did. It made it a lot more organized than the articles.
And finally, Zoe. Yeah,
it does.
So you guys already have like some background knowledge now on the Northwest Ordinance, and tomorrow Miss Foster has a lecture that she pre-recorded that will give you a lot more information about the Northwest Ordinance and everything else the video didn't cover.
Yeah, and pay attention to the directions that are on each assignment because there are some notations of things that you guys have to do and that you don't have to do. It's kind of supplementary, or you can wait to do it on the actual day that is assigned. So we're not picky about how you turn things in. Do it however you see fit, and thank you for your patience and understanding.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.